Testing and replacing the rinse line check valve. Step 1. Testing the check valve. Locate 1/16 inch Allen key, the smallest Allen key in the kit. Unscrew set screw in the back of the cover. Pull straight up on cover to remove. Locate the valve cleaning needle, 1 meter of Teflon tubing, and a replacement check valve. Remove the rinse line from its needle by pushing it off with your fingernail. Use the valve cleaning needle to stretch the end of the Teflon tubing. Attach 1 meter of Teflon tubing from the kit to the rinse needle. Hold the end of the tubing over the rinse reservoir and press the rinse button to fill the tubing with water. Move the toggle valve to the down position. Elevate the free end of the tubing and observe to confirm that the water level does not change. If it does, you may have a faulty rinse line check valve. Step 2. Replacing the check valve. Remove the front cover of the fractionator by removing all 7 screws. Pull the bottom of the cover away from the fractionator and remove. Unscrew the check valve from the other brass parts. Unscrew the check valve from the tubing barb. Screw on the new check valve to the tubing barb. Twist check valve on tubing counterclockwise 3 rotations so tubing will not be kinked when the check valve is screwed onto its attachment point. Screw the check valve onto its attachment point and tighten it with a wrench. Check the system for leaks by hitting the rinse button and observing the joint in the brass parts. Reassemble the instrument, not forgetting to reattach the rinse tubing to its needle. For more information, visit biocompinstruments.com.